Alright, JR, we're back in Baxter State Park. I got Pat with me right now. We're exploring some parts of the AT. Tomorrow's hike's going to be a little challenging. Temperatures in the single degrees. Wind mile powers up to 65.
Definitely did not sleep that well last night.
As you can hear, the wind is still whipping. Absolutely freezing. The Park Service has encouraged everyone to stay off of Katahdin today with this tropical storm. So we're going to check out some smaller peaks and have some fun. Hey Pat, you still sleeping?
No.
All right, looks like Dan and Abby arrived. It's time to get up, do some hiking this morning. All right, looks like Pat's whipping up breakfast for everyone. What you got going on here, Pat?
A little bit of eggs, onions, bacon.
It's looking good. All right, JR checking in. We got Dan, Pat, and Abby on this journey. We're heading up to Double Top. Ranger said it's going to be 70-mile-per-hour winds, not including gusts. He said stay away from the edges. Let's go. JR checking in with Pat. Pretty good push so far. We're starting to see some peaks in the background. Guessing the summit's not too much further. Getting chilly. And windy. Oh, this doesn't look enjoyable. All right, we're above the tree line now. Feel that wind. Should be summiting real soon. Summit up double top right now. Feel that wind. Wow. Brutal. Let's add this up here. Dan's up here. Pat is coming behind. There's Pat Rock. And it's right there. We get a photo of this wind. Checking in on the top of the double top right now. Right down behind the rock. It's very windy and cold. Having a sandwich. It should be starting the descent soon. There's more Alright, gonna head back down. Get out of this wind. All right, another fun-filled adventure in Baxter State Park. That's where we hiked yesterday. Unfortunately, it's that time of the trip. It's time to check out. JR, checking out. Woo. Taking a little tour of our crib here. Got some nice racks for the gear. Plenty spacious. We got a picnic table, fireplace. We got some waterfront property. All right, so we're cooking with Pat. Pat, what do you got going on the fire right now?
Ribeye steak, some onions and mushrooms.